All right, what's up, guys? Mosaic International 3-box. Pick your team number 7. Tim's gonna take out the packs. I only got a couple more teams. Let's do it. Neighbors on the Giants. Bengals, you got Burrow and Chase colors. We've seen that previously. Cowboys the same with Dak, Parsons, CeeDee Lamb. Obviously, Bo Nix for the Broncos country, along with some of your other vets and rookies at Steve Elway. Colts got Manning, Anthony Richardson second years. Giants got Neighbors. Seahawks got mainly vets as well. Bucks. How is the Bucks still sitting there? That's crazy. Troy Dubs with the Colts. Nobody wants a Bucky? Bucky for $19? Or even McMillan? And finally the Commander sitting there is crazy. The Commander sitting there is crazy. Who wants them, guys? Who wants them? We're right there. Everybody hit like. We're at 16 likes. We're going to do a guess right here. Let's do it. Everybody hit the like or the thumbs up button. Who wants one of these teams? Guys, you got gold exclusives to 17. You also got red exclusives numbered to 9. Numbered to 9, guys. Let that sink in. No other product we're going to have low numbered items like this. Yeah. Tapa's a great value. You got Bucky Irving, guys, as well. Bucky and McMillan. All right, Steve V says, fine. Fine. Well, watch, Steve. I'm going to take them out, and then somebody's going to have taken it from the store. Watch. Let me see if I'm fast enough. Let's see. Was I fast enough to take them out for Steve V? Let's see. No, you were. Steve, you're good to send. I was fast enough, brother. I was fast enough. You know what I need? I need everybody to attack the Series 1 blasters. That's what we need. We need the Series 1 blasters, guys. That's a fun little rip, too. Thanks, Steve. Good luck. Let's do this. Do we want like a... Does anybody want a little bit off of the Broncos or Commanders? Just so we can see a few more breaks, guys. Giants for Bergie. 5 left. You know, I can play Madden casually, But man, I see some of these pros playing Madden, and I feel like an idiot. The last time I played Madden, like, not even, I don't even want to say competitively, it was Madden 2007 on the PSP. That was probably like the most I've played Madden. Was 07. I should try playing Madden again though, but man, some of these guys are so crazy.
It's tough because everyone's so good.
Yeah. They got like the what is it, the QB vision. You gotta know when to hit stick, the juke, the spin. Like, oh, it's crazy.
All the hot routes and
Yeah, like they're so good. Know when to call audible. I never played NCAA, no. I remember going to GameStop and buying like NHL 2007 for like $5. And every time me and my cousins would play, we would just scrap. That was like the whole reason you played it. No, I used to, in 01, I was playing like quarterback club and stuff like that. NFL quarterback club, I was playing Blitz. Blitz was huge. Blitz was huge in my life. Blitz was awesome.
I like NFL Street too.
I never played NFL or NBA Street. Those were the two games I didn't play. I didn't really play too much NBA. I played like NBA Jam and stuff, but yeah.
I played a lot of NBA 2K back in the day.
I was playing Grand Theft Auto number 2. For most you mofos that don't know about Grand Theft Auto number 2 for PlayStation.
Yeah, I was on that too.
Most people didn't even hear about that game. I'll never forget playing it on PS2. And then when PS3 came out with Grand Theft Auto 3, oh, everybody was like, "Oh my God, it's the best!" I'm like, "You guys didn't even play number 1 or 2."
I had a 50 Cent game for PlayStation 2. Did you ever play that 50 Cent Bulletproof?
No, I've never even heard of it.
50 Cent had a game. He used to walk around as 50 Cent and like shoot people.
No, I've never heard of that. Packs are out, guys. Last 4. Or if anybody wants a kill price, you guys can let me know. So you throw them up on the table. You can just kind of like slide them back here. Okay. I think everybody can see the 3 like that.
Okay.
Not so much when you're laying it out, but I try to lay it out like that usually. So everyone knows the packs are out. They can see that it's fairly level with each other and stuff.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. Overhead catches you, don't get me wrong, but.
Yeah, just have it.
Yep. No worries. Building you to good habits. That's why I'm letting you rip everything though. Last 4. Seahawks for $8. Cowboys are there. If anybody wants it on a live price. Who wants a deal? Not really a good cereal. Last 4, guys. Last 4. Hello? There goes the Bengals for reversal. That's a PC piece. Cowboys, Broncos, Seahawks, Commanders. Wow. Never would have guessed these 4 teams. Anybody want a little bit off here so we could see this? Or do we want to try a cereal? Well, what are we thinking, guys? Talk to me. What's up, reversal? Yeah, I'd seen him there. I was wondering where you were going to creep in. Hello? Guys, do we want a cereal there? Or does anybody want an unalive price to kill it? Paper chasing! He's here! Does anybody want a kill price, or does anybody want a little bit off here? So we can see this? Hello? Last four, guys. We're in video. Packs are out. Let's do it. This is going next. Emails are out, guys. Someone talk to me. I'll do a little bit of a deal on the Commanders, Broncos, or I'll give you a nice kill price. You have golds number to 17. You got reds number to 9. On top of your regular silver parallels, you have case hits. You have micro mosaics. You have stained glass. Let's do it. Who's out there? Who's pushing us through? Who's doing it for us? Hello? Everybody hit like and subscribe. We need more subscribers. Hello? Guys, we're in video. Somebody kill it for us. Somebody take the $8 Seahawks or Cowboys. Someone make offers. This gotta go, guys. Someone make offers. This gotta go. Hello? Hey guys, come on! Guys, packs are out! We got 20 something in the room. Let's do it. Stained glass, mosaic, micros. We have case hits. I think they're still live. We got Daniels, we got Nicks, we got golds, we got reds, we got silvers. We got autographs in the product, guys. Come on. If anybody wants a little bit off, let me know. I'll do some slight deals here just so we can see it. I added in number 8 to the store, guys. That's in the store. You guys can attack your futures there. Someone talked to her. Do we want a regular cereal? Do we want a regular filler? Oh, why don't we try that? Here, watch this. Here. 10 spots, $30 per. Top 3 draft remaining teams. Seahawks and Cowboys will be comboed. There it is. 10 spots, $30. This can land you the Commanders. This can land you the Broncos. Or you can get the combo spot for almost even money. Let's do it. $10 spots, 30 per. Or if anybody wants a kill, I'll give you a nice kill price. We got a lot in the room, guys. Let's do it. Or if anybody wants to take a team, I'll do a couple dollars off, guys. If anybody wants a kill price, I'll let you kill it for a crazy kill. I'll do $275. I'll do $275 on the kill. That's my final offer. Only on the kill price. Only on the kill price. Hello? Everybody hit like, everybody subscribe. Guys, we're right there. Futures are moving. There's the poop. Poop's thinking his futures. I guess we're gonna sit in video for the rest of our lives. Come on, guys. Who's gonna do it for us? Our videos are uploading fast now. Yay.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. They fixed it. I'm so happy. Hello? Guys, we're super close, guys. Come on. Somebody help me push this through. Someone. Guys, I'll do a few dollars off. I'll do some deals here. Somebody make offers. Someone make offers. This gotta go, guys. Who wants to make offers? Someone say something. Are we live? Is our chat working? Somebody make offers. Okay, we're live. Shit, CTP, I can't do that. I wish. I appreciate the offer. Trust me, I do. Absolutely. I mean, for you, CTP, I was going to say 90, but would you do 85? Would you meet me around there? I know you normally always help me push. All right, I tell you what. How about, you know what, CTP? For you, how about... No, absolutely. How about 80, CTP? How about 80? Because I know I'm going to have to discount the Commanders most likely if I'm doing 80 there. All right, let's go. Let's do it. Let me get it from the store. Just so we can get a little bit moving here. All right. All right, who wants to kill this for 195? Take the Commanders and get the boys and Seahawks. 195 for the remaining teams. Let's do it. Someone tell me 195. It's a great value. Thank you, CTP. It's killed from the store, guys. Let's do it. This is going next, guys. Commanders, take the remaining spots. Kill is 195. Thanks, CTP. Anybody want to make me an offer on the Commanders? Someone say kill. Guys, Commanders, Seahawks, boys. Someone make me some offers. Somebody make me some offers. Hello? Guys, do we want a serial filler for 20 bucks? Yeah, let's try this here. 10 spots, 20 per, serial filler, remaining teams, base cards to last digit of card set number. What about a $20 serial right here? Where everybody gets 3 teams for 20 bucks. You get one random serial for 20 bucks. Why don't we try this? Because if we hit like a gold or a red of Daniels or a stained glass or something like that, it's going to go to someone for 20 bucks or a micro mosaic. Guys, $20 cheap cereal. Where is everybody? Says we have 31 concurrents. Guys, it says we have 30 in the room. Who's going to help us push this through? Who's helping us push this through? Bergie says 1. I know, this is a first. I've never seen this before. This is crazy. Alright, there we go. Don't send yet, Bergie or Hayes. Bergie and Hayes for 1. Thank you for the push, guys. I've never seen this. I think everybody's just hanging for the Super Bowl. Rick for 2. Okay, there we go. All right, there we go. Okay, you guys can send. That's fine. This will go. You guys can send. This will go. This will go. 6 left. $20 stab right here, guys. Let's do it. $20 stab. Steve for 1. Thanks, guys. Wemby Superfractor autograph is off. Alvin. Five left. Halfway point, guys. 5 left. 5 left. Who wants it, guys? 5. Five left. Everybody can send. Thank you, guys. 20 bucks, guys. 20 bucks. This is cheap. We can afford $20 stabs here, guys. We can. Rick is paid. 5 left. 20 bucks. 32 in the room. Come on, guys. Five left. 20 bucks, guys. If you land like the base cards of Daniels, he has the debuts. He has his regular base cards. He'll have silvers. He'll have reds. He'll have golds. Come on. Obviously, you'll have like Dak Prescott color. You'll have CD color, Parsons color. A couple rookies, Liu Fao. I think Seahawks have Geno color in this too, if I'm not mistaken. Hayes is paid. Steven Berge, you guys are good to send. 5 left. $20 stab, guys. A little cheap stab here. Bergie, I normally don't do that on the fillers, but because I'm not like flying, I'll do it for you. It's just because then some people's going to ask and they're all going to ask for it, you know.
Good morning.
Morning. How you doing?
I think I'm dying. How are you?
Sick, dying,
No,
or
this baby dying.
Oh, Mrs. Hammer's not feeling
So
good again.
heavy and uncomfortable.
That's
achy.
crazy.
Mr. Hammer's not feeling good?
Yeah.
Dang, Taylor just got over his sickness too. Yeah, I think something's going around again.
No, I hope not, because her dad was not feeling good. That's why. And then after we visited, it was
Oh no, so something bad sick. That's not good.
Yeah.
Well, hopefully they start to feel better quickly.
I hope so. She's been sick. This is like her 3rd time in like 3 months. Not even funny. I told her.
She comes in sounds very just like, and it's like, girl, go home and sleep.
No.
Get some rest.
Not in her blood. 5.
Sometimes you need to though.
Yeah, sometimes.
You gotta tell her to calm down.
She gets me sick. I'm gonna be pissed.
Right. See ya.
Laters. 5. Oh, you wanted 2 spots, Bergs. I'm sorry. I didn't know that's what you meant. Everybody else is paid. My bad, Bergs. My bad. 4 left. Four left, guys. 4. Last 4, guys. $20 stab here. Last 4. Gave a nice deal. Come on. Somebody do it for us. $20 stab. $20 stab at some Daniels. Guys, let's do this. This is too close not to go, guys. Oh yeah, Parsons also has a micro mosaic, guys, for those that don't know. Parsons has a micro mosaic, guys. Parsons has one. You do have case hit opportunities with them as well. You have case hit opportunities with the boys. For $20 plus Daniels plus any Seahawks. Come on. Perez for one. Thanks, Perez. That's three. Whoops. Three left. Guys, this is right there. Come on. Little $20 stab, guys. Little $20 stab. We got 30 something in the room. We're ready to show. Packs are out. This is Jaden Daniels we're talking about. Even his base cards are big. What's up, Bass? Nothing too much. We're almost full on this serial filler. And then we're going to push Top Series 1, Cosmic Chrome, Prism Retail Football, and then Topps Chrome WWE Blasters with our bounties. So that should be fun. Guys, we're right there. Last three for 20. $20 per, 3 spots left. Let's do it. Everybody's paid. 3 left. Daniel says micro mosaics. Daniel says stained glass. Parsons has micro mosaics. You have golds, you got reds, you got autographs, guys. Someone just do it for us. Someone just do it for us. 3 left. We got 35 in the room. Guys, $20 stab, guys. Come on. Someone do it for us. Who's doing it for us? $20 stab. I see red. I see gold. I see autos. $20 stab. Come on. 3 left. Someone do it for us. 3. You got 3 teams. You get a cereal for all 3. Who's doing it for us? Who's doing it for us? Come on. Who's doing it for us? Or I could just wait forever. Or if anybody that bought into this, if anybody wants an additional spot, I'll do $15 for an additional spot if you've already bought in. If you're already in this filler and you want any other spots, for 15, I'll do it. Just so we can see it. Hayes for 1 more. There you go. 2 left. And then Rick and Bergie. I'll take care of you guys on something else. Oh, there's Rick. All right, Rick, send 12, Rick. Send 12. That way it's a little proration for you. And then Bergie, if you take something else, I'll take care of you on it. Whether it's today, tomorrow, later, whenever. 1 left. If anybody wants an additional spot, 15. 1 left. Gotta get this going. Rainieri's good. I appreciate it. Rainieri. Alright, we fought and we pushed through on that one, guys. We are full. Thank you, guys. Get a couple of payments real quick and we're good to go. Rainier is good. Rick's good. Hayes is good. Thank you, guys. Here we go. Dice roll. Ace, deuce, or higher. We're going 9 times, guys. Base cards to the last digit of the card set number if it's on the base. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th, and final. Rick, you got the 1. Bergie in the 2. Perez in the 3. Hayes in the 4. Bergie 5. Steve in the 6. Rick, you also got 7 and 8. Rainieri, you stay in the 9. Hayes in the 0. Good luck. If and when we hit for you guys, I'll call out your names. Good luck. All right, we pushed. What about the debut? What about the debut spot? Is the debut is a different number, right? Well, I'm seeing a couple of reds early, so that could be a good sign. Seen a couple of reds early. Oh, wow. Debut is a 2 also? Wow. All right, Bergie. Good luck. I wouldn't have guessed they were both ending in 2. Nice Travis Silver. Sunshine. Kenneth Walker for the 8 spot. Neighbors. Richardson Silver. Tavondre Sweat Silver. Jershawn, of course, for the 6. We have a red number to 9. No problem, I will. Thank you. For the Colts, it's OG. It's Dwight Freeney. For Troy Dubs, number to 9. 7 of 9, one of my favorite DNs ever. Auto. That's pretty sick. That's a cool auto. Sean Tucker. For the Bucks, Steve B. It was a sign, Steve. Was a sign. Don't know how the $19 Bucks was there. AK, Neighbors. There's a Knicks. CTP on the debut. Evan Silver. Zamir. Cousins. Nealon Silver for the 3 cereal. Perez. That's a sick Collins. Sponge. Gets the stud wide out. 11 of 17 of Collins. Nice hit. Parcells. Silly with a couple of Titans hits. Box 2. Bijan. There's Braswell for the Bucks. Steve B. Penix on the base. Nice. CTP just got a silver of Bo Nix. He's a hitter. Another Knicks. Lots of Knicks. There's Cedric Doom. Why do I always hit Cedric? Yes, I know it's Cedric. It's just a joke. Greg Lloyd on the gold. Guess we could call it yellow. Steelers. No, I'm telling you, yeah, Mosaic is actually pretty solid. I've been saying that. We ordered in 2 more cases, so I got 1 more case after this. Cooper Kupp, silver. Kincaid. Bowers. Roman Wilson, silver. Marvin. That one wasn't as good of a box, though. Come on, where's our Jaden Daniels stuff? Oh, here we go. I see red. I see red. Good luck. JJ. Kool-Aid on the silver. Tyreek, silver. JC Horn, silver. McCaffrey is for the 6 cereal. Stover, silver. Oh no. Raiders! PCPs for Rick the Ripper. I do pull the best kickers, Rick. 9 of 9, but look behind that. USMC for the Bears. Caleb, silver debut. Jonathan Allen for the 3. Last stack, gold and auto. So no case hit yet. Jalen Johnson, silver. Another Caleb. Silver rookie of Devin Leary. Penix base, gold. Xavier Wood for the Panthers. Number to 17. 15 of 17. Carmichael again. We've seen him in the last case. Wow, unbelievable. I didn't even get a base Daniels for the 9th spot. Silver Knicks to grading. You got it, CTP. Oh, sorry. The cereal was terrible on that. How did I not even get one of the base? That's crazy. What non-QBs in Prism should I grade? I mean, I'd be grading quite a bit, actually. Bucky, Ladd. Who else? I'm trying to think. Neighbors. Cardinals. Marvin Harrison. Sorry, I'm just like drawing blanks right now. There's quite a bit. I grade Bucky. I would grade Jalen McMillan. I like him. Brian Thomas. Brian Thomas is definitely one of them. Yep. And that was the break. Joe Alt. I would grade Joe Alt. He sells very well. Joe Alt sells very well, guys, by the way. He sells very well. Break. All right, sorry, but I got to kick it.